have just applied my LAkme moisturizing cream. Then after that I'm just going to apply my inside primer. इसको मैं इस तरीके से अपने T zone पे apply करूँगी. And then after that I'm just going to apply this compact all over my face. Then after that I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with the help of my eyebrow pencil. Then after that I'm just going to apply my LA Pro concealer on my eyelid area. I'm just going to set my face with the help of my compact. I'm not going to apply any foundation because I want a very natural and a very dewy coverage. So I have applied this red shade on my eyelid area basically. With the help of this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to pick this shade and इसको मैं इस flat brush की मदद से अपनी eyes के outer V पे apply करूँगी. I was going to apply a wing liner. To bronze up my face with the help of my Swiss Beauty palette. And then after that I'm just going to apply blusher. And then I'm just going to apply this mascara on my lower lash line. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and there are many more videos on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye.